Hey, what's up, everybody? Cletus T. Judd out, Bill Cole Subaru, and got my buddy Steven going to sell us another car right here, or sell you another car. I've already bought one. So, what we got today, buddy? What we showing here?
You got a 23 Outback. The Subaru staple vehicle is the Outback, so it's loaded with tons of safety features, stereo responsive headlights, pre-collision braking, blind spot, rear cross, reverse braking. I mean, even got a driver distraction, looks at you and yells at you to look off the road too long.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
Man, when you talk about pre-braking or pre-collision braking, does that mean it'll brake for you if you get too close to a rear ending or something like that?
Yeah,
man, what a great safety feature, especially if you're buying, somebody that's not been driving a long time or whatever. Say a 17, 18-year-old kid, man, that definitely comes in handy, don't it?
Oh yeah. A lot of comforts too.
Somebody was saying down there just a minute ago, Cody at the other dealership was saying it's probably one of the most comfortable vehicles you can ride in right here. Let's take a look at the inside right here. Tell them a little bit about what we got going on in the interior, price, and we'll let you go sell this thing.
Yeah, this is going to be right around 44.5, 45 for a loaded up limit. It's next to the top model, which is a touring, but it's going to give you the leather, heated seats front, back, power extender for the driver, power driver seat, power passenger, tons of other features, dual climate. I mean, you name it, this thing's got it.
Ain't much it now. And Bill was telling me a while ago that if they come down today, this man right here will make your first month's payment. Is there any truth to that?
I don't know about that.
All right, man. Thank you so much. Y'all head on down Bill Cole Subaru and grab you a couple of these. Y'all have a good day. See you. Bye.